In this incredible 17-part series, we take you down a Blender workflow deep dive by using mostly free open source software like Blender, Google Maps, and Panui. You'll learn how to create a stunning 360-degree virtual tour just like this. So, grab yourself a cuppa and let's get stuck in. This is Lesson 3, Image Manipulation with Photoshop, Part 2. So I brought the, next screenshot, you can see it from here. I brought this and I'm bringing it to just one, and like I said, I'm going to build this up. So what I do, let's just use the guides. This doesn't look too bad, and you see how I kind of came in. And I'll use the guides to see if I can line this one up and that, and I'll do is take this down here, and it looks like I need to just scale this up a little bit. It's very straightforward. Nothing magic here, no magic going on here. There you go, something like that. So I know that that line is up there as much as possible. So we're not going to go crazy on this. This isn't like the there we go. Let's see if I can line that up. Maybe I'll do is put some alpha on this just to kind of, there you go. So now I have to see what I'm doing. And I'll just slide that over. There you go. And bring that in as close as possible. There you go. That's pretty good. I'm gonna get back up, and I'll do the same thing here. Just take out my take this out. I really don't need to go. I'm not doing the sides. Everything's pretty much a straight on. And I go and down and see if I can see. The thing was these cars are in the way. But what are you gonna do? Come back up. And again, invert it, X out, there you go. And I'll export this whole thing out. See if I get rid of that one too. And then I'll just build this building along this whole street all the way up, so I have one street, and then I'll show you how I'll do the other side of the building, this corner, and then all that. Basically the same thing, no magic to it. Double check and make sure that this is straight. That's, yeah, see, that could be moved out a little bit, and I just take this over here and just see if I can. Just wanted to see how straight. That's pretty straight. That one's pretty straight. This one's starting to move a little bit. So what I might do is I might just take this and stick this up here and just kick that out a little bit. It's just about being as orthographic as possible. Shift T and distort it. And you can use a different one or whatever you need to do. And there you go. It's a bit ticky, but that's fine. All good. Now I'll show you the next time I'll do is I'm going to export these. I'm going to stitch the whole thing together. I export it as a PNG, and then I'll import this into Blender so you can see. And then, like I said, this is pretty much the same as what, you know, the other methods that people use to bring in just an image. But like I said, I'm going to be building this thing using this as a guide, basically as a guide. And then I'll build the whole stuff with that. I mean, just wait, I'm doing it right here. Anyway, if you got something out of the tutorial, please hit like, and even better, subscribe so you're notified as more are uploaded. And if you'd like to explore the finished project, click on the link in the description below.